Hello everyone, we're here in I-25 South near the university. It's almost 11 a.m. Friday, October 19th. They put a big sign right there, here's the work zone. We're going to take a video going south. Last time the video was going on I-10 East. And let me see if I can scooch a little closer. There we go, that's a little better. Oh, it looks like we're not going to shift to the other lanes. We would probably have to do that a few months ago, but it looks like we're going to stay in our own lane. There's a rumble strip right there. There's the other lane. It's going to be finally 3 lanes. Look, there's their work zone. That's where they have all their equipment over there. There's a new exit to I-10 West. There's a flyover ramp under construction right there. There was the old exit right there. And here's a new flyover ramp. We can see it goes over there. Speed limit slows down over here to 35. There's the bridge, looks like a new bridge. One lane through this area. And on the other side of the barrier, that's where the old loop used to be. There's some equipment just past us, across the road. Looks like they might paint lines. Looks like that's what that vehicle does. Looks like they finished redoing this bridge over the drainage area, drainage ditch. We're almost out of the work zone here. There's the road that we came last time. We were on the other side of the road. There's the and roadwork signs. There's that one right there. And that'll be it.